Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Very excited to be coming back out for round two of training with KW Metro Center. We're going to be in Vienna, Virginia this time. And it's YouTube, Google, and AI explosive growth with all of these tools for your year 2025. You do not want to miss this. I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know from a video marketing for real estate point of view. We're going to show you some of the successful benchmarks that are out there. I'm going to walk you through the back office of YouTube and so much more. Then we're going to take our lunch break. We're going to come back. I'm going to walk you through 8 ways to grow your business, and then also how to use ChatGPT and AI in general to help build and grow your business. This is a day-long workshop that you absolutely do not want to miss. So we're going to see you in the Vienna Volunteer Fire Hall, and this is going to be a session that is a hands-on workshop environment. So again, make sure you bring your laptop. We are going to see you guys on May 13th. See you soon. Thanks.